In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your data from a backup QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you ever need to roll your company back to an earlier point, this is the built-in way to do it safely and quickly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful notes so you know what to expect along the way. Start on your QuickBooks Online Advanced screen and head to the top right corner. Click the gear icon. This opens your main settings menu. From here, select Backup Company. That takes you into the backup area where QuickBooks organizes all your saved snapshots. You'll see a list of your backups, typically arranged by date and time. Each entry represents a full snapshot of your company at that moment, so take a second to identify the point in time you want to return to. If you're aiming to reverse a recent change, look for the backup just before that change occurred. When you've found the right backup, look for the small carry or drop-down arrow on that specific backup entry. Click it, then choose Restore. QuickBooks will guide you through on-screen confirmations so you can be sure you're restoring the correct snapshot. It's important to understand that a restore replaces your current company data with the data from that backup point. That's exactly what you want when undoing a set of changes, but it's worth double-checking the timestamp so you're returning to the intended version. After you confirm, the restore process begins. The time it takes can vary based on the size of your company data and the number of transactions, so don't worry if it takes a few minutes. Once it's done, your company will reflect the information as it existed at the backup time you selected. If you happen to be exploring this in a test drive or demo environment, you might see a blank or limited view in the backup company area. That's normal for test accounts and doesn't indicate a problem with the steps themselves. In a live QuickBooks Online Advanced company with backup enabled, you'll see your actual list of backups. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have the appropriate permission to access backups, and if you don't see backup company under the gear icon, check that you're in a QuickBooks Online Advanced plan where backups are available. With those in place, click the gear icon, select Backup Company, choose the backup you want, click the caret, and hit Restore. That's all there is to it.